not fair you screaming in my ear. Quit trying to take my hand away. What are we yelling about? No. No. You're loud. You're too loud. You're being too noisy. Quit trying to pull it out of my... No. Why are you yelling? Hey. Are you trying to make me deaf? Seriously. What? Why are you yelling at... Yeah. No more yelling. Time out. No! I need to plug my ear. You're gonna hurt my ear if I let you. No. Good boy. No more yelling. Really? No. I needed him. All right, we done? You're a brat. Really? No, I'm not taking it out of my ear. I'm going to start wearing earplugs with you. What do you think about that? You're not being very nice.